Welcome back and thank you so much for staying with us. From a small community operation to a multi-million-dollar pharmaceutical distributor, it's the story of R.A. Williams Distributors. The company is now expanding its footprint in Jamaica's healthcare industry. Deirdre Thomas tells their story.
When R.A. Williams Distributors was conceptualized, it was more than just a business idea.
The distribution entity, R.A. Williams, it originated out of a retail community pharmacy in Chapelton, Clarendon. The community pharmacy was serving a population that was mainly farming community. And despite dispensing mainly generic drugs, which we thought at the time best suited the economic needs of the population in terms of access to quality medicines, there was still a lot of challenges.
Who was the person behind?
Myself and my mother. She was the business operator at the time in a partnership with her sister.
However, the formal registration of the business coincided with a relocation to Spanish Town in 2012, where operations officially began.
So we are a healthcare provider through pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, and products that generally are used for general health maintenance and overall well-being. And our first product that we introduced was the Aristobet N, which is Aristobet N. It's an eye, ear, and nasal drop, a combination of a steroid and an antibiotic. There was a need in the market at the time because the Innovator brand was not available, so we decided to fill the gap.
Since then, guided by key investors, the company listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in 2024 with a portfolio of over 100 products and employing nearly 80 staff members. It continues to return profits even while investing heavily in administrative infrastructure to support expansion. And in 2025, the company earned $1.6 billion in revenue, with projections of hitting the $2 billion mark this year.
We've had some challenges because the business is rapidly expanding. We've had to really significantly increase our expenses, administrative-wise, and in terms of a new infrastructure to put us on a platform that will continue the growth trajectory.
Even after navigating these challenges, the pharmaceutical company is still pushing forward, introducing new products to meet local needs. Their newest addition is Absolute Skin, a dermatology-led skin line developed specifically for melanin-rich skin, designed by Jamaican dermatologist Dr. Romario Thomas.
I think there are not a lot of offerings like this on the local market. Most of the dermatological products are developed internationally for other skin types. But these products here that we're looking at were specifically developed for our kind of population, exposed to high UV rays because of our tropical weather climate. And the technology that backs it is something that we're absolutely excited about. Consumers can now access an app that is AI-driven, that will do diagnostics of your skin condition.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.